audible in the end?
Yes, sir.
How many of you are watching the latest season of Game of Thrones, which is airing right now?
Still airing second season.
And how many of you are following IPL ongoing season? Next crowd. So all your curiosity, I'll come back on this. So good morning again.
Good morning. Good morning.
As my topic says, who's a leader? So let's talk about the definition. According to the Oxford Dictionary, a leader is a person who leads a group of people, like a head of a country or can be head of an organization, etc. But according to me, this definition doesn't even cover 50% of the attributes of a contemporary leader. Then who is a leader? Itai Talgam, an Israeli orchestra conductor, a great leadership expert, and a very famous author of the book, The Infamous Maestro, has talked about leadership challenges and his own interpretation of leaders in his very famous TED Talk in 2009. He concluded that leaders are ones who do not tell their teams how to do work. Rather, they create an environment or a culture for the people to work as an individual or as a team member in the best possible way. So there are a lot of leadership styles have been developed, talked about and do exist, and a lot of people do practice a lot of leadership styles. So I want to talk about two sets of leadership styles, just to give them the glimpse of what are the leadership styles in general, which are popular. So as I said, I will talk about two sets of leadership style. First one is democratic, or you can call it participative leadership style, versus authoritative or autocratic leadership style. Second set is basically affiliative versus pace-setting leadership style. So now let's talk about Game of Thrones. Okay. So I will try to explain the first set, which is democratic versus authoritative leadership styles, with the example of Game of Thrones. So I know there are few people who are not following Game of Thrones. For them, there are two characters, Jon Snow and Daenerys Targaryen. So I relate them as democratic leaders because what they do, they actually seek for the inputs from their people, from their tribes. They ask for the feedback. They actually encourage people to open up and speak and give their opinions, and basis that they will take the decisions, all the decisions. That's how they are taking their own decisions throughout the seasons, across all 8 seasons. On the other side, there is one more character, Cersei Lannister. She is basically a character who is representing a autocratic leader. She will love power, she will love decision making, she will not listen to others' opinion. So you see these two different set of leadership styles, and this doesn't mean they are not, one of them is good, one of them is bad. Both of them are succeeding at some point, in some scenario, in some context. Yeah. Second set is affiliating versus pace setting. So let's talk about IPL. Yeah. And I know that a lot of people who love MS Dhoni. Yeah. As per my assessment, I believe he is an affiliative leader because he brings his team together. He resolves all the conflicts. He brings harmony in the team. That's how he leads the team. On the other side, we have Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. They are like the pace-setting leaders. They will set very high performance standard for themselves and for others, which is very difficult to follow. Also, they exemplify their behavior, and then they expect other players to behave in the same manner. And also they fail many times and they succeeded many times, right? So it works, it doesn't work, depending on the context. So as I said, there is no right or wrong leadership style. A lot of teams, organizations and visions require different set of leadership styles to achieve that whatever outcome they wanted. However, there is a set of traits which you have will make a difference. So I want to share a small snippet or anecdote from my own professional life. So as Amar introduced me, though I helped him, that I am a consultant. So I have worked in my career in consulting in last 4 years across multiple engagements. I have involved working with a lot of industry leaders, managers, and one thing which is very close to my heart is my project recently I finished. So this was the engagement which was the most challenging for us. we had very strict timelines. So we were working literally 18 to 20 hours a day for a few weeks. So in that phase, my manager, and she is a partner, but she stayed with us in the office in those hours. She made sure that we had food. And whenever we had impediments and challenges, she made sure that we get right side of people to get our issues solved, right? So she enabled us to get solutions. She didn't help us directly. So what I see her as a manager who led by example. She set right expectations. She made us believe that we can deliver. She created an optimistic environment for us. So while we were frozen both with the excitement of working on the new work, while we had a fear of non-completing the work as well. So that leading that team by her made us win that project successfully. So with that I want to conclude saying that a leader just need to drive the team, and whatever style is required in that scenario or context, he or she can use it. However, they should be able to demonstrate a certain set of leadership traits as well as behaviors for others to get inspired and emulate. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.